Oh. Oh, this is very pretty. Oh, I like that. This is very pretty.
Hawaii themed.
Very cute.
Nice.
I like that. Oh, this is a nice plus heavy. Look at that. Yeah. Pretty big.
Tom wrapped it. Of course I didn't.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Oh my God.
How have you known?
Awesome.
Grandma and Grandpa over here.
Oh,
Next generation of the Burkharts coming at you. Coming in December.
that is so awesome. Oh my God.
That was taken today.
Was
I was thinking
today?
today?
12 weeks and
Oh.
4 days.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
Product of your Hawaii trip.
Seriously?
This is little Maui?
This is little Maui.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
This is why the lime theme.
That is so
The
cool.
baby right now is the size of a lime.
Oh. So what's the due date?
12. Well,
December 3rd.
12:30. Yeah.
December 3rd. Oh my
December
God.
what?
I'm so
December
excited.
3rd.
Oh,
Just a little guy right
my
now.
baby.